Aloha. First trade of 2021. Let's see what happens. Okay, so here goes. I don't know if you can see this, but this is Bitcoin. And I looked at trading short Bitcoin in this case, and let's see if I can get the glare out of the way. And it's really difficult to do. First, you got to find a broker to trade it, and you got to find a vehicle to trade it, and it's a pretty hefty price. And I looked at Coinbase and other places, and for instance, in Coinbase, you're actually can only buy it, and you can't sell it short. And I have a Robinhood account. I looked at doing it there, and you can't trade Bitcoin in Robinhood. You could do options and stocks and ETFs. You can't do futures. So I have my old account from TD Ameritrade, and they of course bought out Thinkorswim, and Thinkorswim allows you to do the options and futures, and so I trade a lot of futures, oil in the past. And so the problem is to buy or sell Bitcoin. So if I sold right now, here's what comes up. Let's see. I'm getting a lot of sun here. Let me move over to the desk. Okay. By the way, I'm in Mexico City, working remotely. Just finished tax season. Yesterday was a tax deadline. Worked nonstop the last 2-3 months, and now I have some free time. Okay, so here's how much money you would have to sell short -1 Bitcoin. And I'll explain to you guys what K in 21 is in just a second. This is a market open. You would need buying power of $127,000. And I don't have that kind of money. And this is a play money kitty account. So what's the alternative? Right? I've got to sell Bitcoin. You got to sell it short. So Thinkorswim actually has what's called, let me close that window. They actually have what's called mini futures. And so the ticker for that, instead of BTC for Bitcoin, and by the way, the slash is a future. It's M for mini, and TC, or is it BT? There it is, MBT. So /MBT is a micro Bitcoin contract. And what does that mean? Well, I don't need to spend $127,000 to buy one futures contract. I could do it with as little as where is it? That's wrong, that's still BTC. Okay, let me go back to MTC, /MTC. Okay, I didn't press the enter. I didn't press the enter on that. Sorry, MBT. There we go. Okay, now let me sell short the mini, and here's the price. $54 buying power effect, 20, I'm all messed up. Not enough sleep the last 2 days doing tax returns. $2,500 is all I need. And so my account value, I only put $3,200 in there. So now I have a micro or a mini futures of BTC, MBTC, and I put in an order today. I wanted to put in the order on Saturday because this thing trades 24/7, as you know. I wanted to put the order in on Saturday at 49,000, and since Saturday over the weekend, we have a big drop right there. That was 50,000. Let me take my finger out of the way. That's Saturday. And you see over the weekend, it lost, about $7,000, about $8,000. So I'm in it. Let me show you my order. So we go over here, monitor, activity and positions, and there's my order. It filled, one order filled. It executed. Now this is an hour. It executed today, 5:18. It's an hour. I think that's West Coast time because I'm actually on Central time here in Mexico City. 5:52, which is military time. It's 17:52, and this is showing me 16:23, or maybe that was about half hour ago. All right, so I executed this about half hour ago. It's a future. I sold it, -1 contract, which means what? I want it to come down. And I'll show you exactly what my target is in just a second as well. There's the ticker, /MBT. BT is Bitcoin, / is futures, M is mini. I'm going to explain to you what K is, and 21. 21 is the year that we're in, and K is the month. I'm going to show you all of that stuff in just a second. And there's my trade price. I got in at 4,300. And right now it's down $10. Sorry, $50, $45, 42.65. So I'm winning. This change is not my change. That's for the day. So for the day, Bitcoin is down 195. I have only been in it for the last 45 minutes. So I'm only up a fraction of a percent. I'm up $4, okay? But let's see what happens with his mini future short sell Bitcoin. Now, let me show you the chart. So let's go over to the chart. Here's the chart. And of course, this piggy, here's 4 hour. Let's do 180 days. Where is it? No, let's do a whole year. Nope, that didn't work out. Here we go. And then let's minimize. Why isn't this not coming out? MBTC, 3 years. No, that's wrong. That's a weekly. All right, how do I get this? I really don't know the Thinkorswim webpage, the website or the computer interface. I just use the phone. It's so much easier. The phone is so much intuitive. Let's see if I can get this back to where it was. Okay, but anyway, this thing has been as high as 59,000. And as we all know, last year it was down at around $10,000. So it has a huge run up, specifically in the last 5 months, 6 months, 7 months probably since, about 5 months since December. And you see this big, massive drops here. Everybody's falling out of love, or they're making their money and they're getting out. So anyway, I think the target is going to be somewhere around below 30,000. So I'm shooting for the 27 to 30,000, and hopefully I'll be right. Again, you have to be right twice. Not only do you have to pick a stock, You have to pick the direction to get in, and then you have to be right twice to get out. See if I can get this other chart up to show you the months. Okay, so futures trade monthly. So the K, oh, I know why. I know why that's not coming up. And then, let me see if I can get this. Nope, that didn't do it. All right, I don't know how to use this web interface on a computer. I'm more of a phone guy. So just to let you know that the K stands for the current month. So M, / is a future. M is the mini, not the real future, the whole future. BT is Bitcoin. K is the month. And 21 is the year. So if you look at the ticker symbols and you erase the month and the year, you see here all the other months. K, and then M is next, and then N, and then Q, and then U, and then V, and then Z. Z is December. So the December futures are trading at 46,000. So they think it's going to go up from where it is now. So the farther you go out, the more possibility that it can go up, right? So it makes sense. Or it can go down. But since it's been up so much in the last 5 months, the market has put the price for December at 46,000. So currently, here's the current what they call the front month, which is this one, the K. That one's trading at 42,785. So those are the monthlies, the futures. So yeah, so that's my trade, and I am currently up $27. Woohoo! So PL is profit and loss for the day. My percentage profit and loss for the day. It's down 545, but that's not since I've been in it. That's for the day. Sorry, this is not for the day. This is me for the day. This is me since I've been in the trade. So about the last hour. This is the whole day, okay? And there's my trade price, 43,000. So again, I missed the $49,000 price in Saturday, and good luck to me. Lost 25K last year, timed the market perfectly getting in, and couldn't get out, couldn't believe it that we were going to go up and break a record. Thought we'd get a double dip, never saw the double dip. S&P kept going up and up and up. Trump, Pelosi, and Chuck Schumer kept dropping money from a helicopter. Federal Reserve kept dropping money from a helicopter, giving money to everybody that didn't want to go to work. PPP, EIDL, unemployment, stimulus 1, 2, and 3. Now we have a drunken president that's going to keep dropping money, spending like a drunk sailor. And by the way, I have another trade idea, which is oil, which I think will be at $110, double where we are today. And get the sunset out here. Viva Mexico. Ay, 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 ay. You're on Facebook Live. All right, everybody, stay safe.